while, but it is so good to be back.
Ignazio Burgon.
The 2022 Lifetime Achievement Award winner, Jerry Dijkstra.
I think the Superyacht Design Festival is great because it brings new ideas and concepts to the industry.
Coming to the Superyacht Design Festival is a pleasure to start with. It's communication, it's teamwork, and it's beneficial to all of us. We all get together, and at that point, especially after COVID, it's a signature reason to all be together.
This has been my first time and it's been a very refreshing experience.
We met very important and valid people here at the Superyacht Design Festival.